Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve diamond hole puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Osanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of diamond hole puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that all the openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts. And now let's take a closer look at a frame and all three parts. As you can see, this frame has one huge opening on one side, but it has a couple of restrictions here and here. And there is another opening on the back side, which has a little bit of restrictions as well. And yes, you have to use both openings in order to solve the puzzle. And there are three parts. Each of them has a unique shape, and it is quite odd shape of each part, and you have to put them inside. If you assemble all three parts into kind of square shape, into a cube shape, they are not going to create like a perfect cube. There are going to be a couple of voxels uncovered, but still it's going to be enough to fit three parts inside the frame and to cover both openings. If you noticed, this time Pelikan decided to print the name of the puzzle and puzzle designer all on top of the frame. I didn't really like this idea, so I decided to remove both name of the puzzle and puzzle designer's name from my copy of the puzzle. And I took just a regular nail varnish remover, a couple of minutes, and I've been able to get rid of these writings. There are a couple of marks left, but still I like a clean look much better. If you like diamond hole puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I'll try to show you how to solve the puzzle. So first we have to figure out the way how to put three parts together in such a way how they're going to be inside the frame. And if I'm not mistaken, it's going to look like something like this. Okay, let's see. This goes here and this goes here on top. Yeah, I think this is it. So this part goes on the bottom, this part goes like this, and the last piece goes on top. And now the most difficult part is to fit them inside, since if you try to fit them right now, they're not gonna go inside. So the way how we're gonna do it, now I'll try to take the cube apart and try to imagine that now it is inside the frame. So first move what I can do is this one, then goes this up, the bottom piece goes here, and I can stick it out of the hole on the back side. So the next piece goes this one, this goes here, then I can put this up, this goes to the front, and I can remove this piece. So we will start assembling with these two parts. I'll put this part inside, it's gonna stick out on the right, and move it up. And now, no, I don't think it is gonna be like this. I'm supposed to put it like this, then this part goes here. Now the piece on the back, I have to move it up, stick it outside, and one step closer to me. Now goes the third part. I have to put it inside like this, then one step forward to the right. Now I can move this piece inside all the way, and at the same time this piece will fall down. The next move, what I have to do to move this part here, as I remember. Next goes this part. Oh, maybe no. So this goes inside. This part I have to move up. Now I can move the bottom part that is sticking out on the right inside, and now push it inside again, all the way inside. Now this part will fall down, and when I move this part to the right, I will be able to assemble the puzzle. So that was the assembling of the diamond hole puzzle, and since this puzzle comes disassembled, so to complete the puzzle I have to take it apart again. So I'll do again the solution but backwards. So this piece goes to the left, this piece goes up, the third piece that is somewhere hidden inside, if I tilt the puzzle it's gonna appear right here, and if I tilt it to the right it's gonna stick out on the right side, and this piece will fall down. I can move this piece all the way to the left. Now the third piece can go up, and I can move this piece towards myself, and I can remove the third piece from the puzzle, and now it is going to be quite easy to remove two other pieces. Just move the piece on the right that is sticking out towards that side of the frame, and remove the second piece and the third piece. So that was the solution of diamond hole. I've been able to take it apart, to assemble it and then take it apart. So I've completed the whole solution. If you like diamond hole puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Osanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.